What's the absolute worst feeling at the end of the week? Imagine this. It's Friday morning. You've worked late every day just so you can finish the site and get an early start on the weekend fishing trip. You're all packed up and on the road, and nothing is getting in your way. And then you get this phone call.
Hello?
Doug.
Where you at? Just finished up for the week. I'm heading fishing.
No, you didn't.
I need you to get back in here and fix these tiles. They're off level.
But boss, I'm already halfway to the lake.
Now, Doug.
A deficiency arises when a contractor fails to complete all the obligations imposed by the contract.
This is a deficiency, and this is a ruined vacation.
But now, there's a way to ensure that phone call never happens again. Introducing the Perfect Level Master System, the only way to ensure your tiles are set perfectly each and every time. It's your insurance against a ruined weekend. And the best part is, when you're done, you just kick the shit out of it.